Hi Shertayaa, this is Mr. Smith, and in this video I'll go over this problem for you. So it says the periodic deposit is $10,000 at the end of every 3 months. The rate is 5.25% compounded quarterly, that is every 3 months, or 4 times a year. So N here is 4, and the time is 6, since it's 6 years. Now if you look at the annuities, there's this formula for the ones that are compounded annually or yearly. Notice your periodic payment is P, that's how much is put into the account once a year. In our case, this is the future value of an annuity compounded N times per year. In our case it's 4. So N is 4, and the periodic payment, I think it was $10,000. Let's see. All to say, this is the formula that we're going to use here. So that would be this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. You can see why you want to have a nice calculator for one like this. So we have P, our periodic payment is $10,000. Let's move this up just a tad. Times 1 plus, we'll move that decimal 2 places to the left, so it'll be 0.0525 over N, which is 4. This is to the NT power, that's 4 times 6, and then minus 1. And in the bottom we just have R over N, so 0.0525 over 4. Let's go ahead and put that in the calculator. So you want to hit the fraction button first, 10,000, parenthesis, parenthesis. Remember, brackets are just another form or way to write parentheses. This will be 1 plus 0.0525, fraction button 4. Now we could put to the 4 times 6 power, I'll just put 24. 4 times 6 is 24. And then minus 1. And then we'll go down into the denominator. You don't really need parentheses around this. You could certainly put them in. I'm just going to go ahead and put the fraction in, 0.0525, parenthesis, I'm sorry, fraction button 4. I usually like to arrow out. Again, be careful as you're typing things in. Make sure that you're putting everything in correctly. I always check myself as I'm typing just to make sure I don't have an error. And when we hit enter, whoops, my computer is getting low. That's weird. Oh, let's see. Why is it doing that? Oh, it's because it's not plugged in. Hold on a sec. There we go. Okay, so we get 279965. And it does, let's see, it does say round to the nearest dollar, so that would be the nearest dollar since it's 0.06. Okay. And so let's go over here to our answers. And you can see it's this one here. Now how do we find the other part? Well, we paid 10,000 4 times a year, every 3 months. Remember, it was quarterly for 6 years. So if you do 10,000 times 24, you get 240,000. So that was our contribution. If you put that in, so 5, 6, 9, 9, 3, $39,965. That would be what you earned in interest to make a total of the $279,965. Anyway, I hope that helps. I think perhaps the hardest part is just putting this into the calculator, especially if you don't have this one. Oh, I think you have it by now, though. All right, that's it.